My name is Dorsey Duchenne, and I'm the founder and executive director of This is fantastic. We're outdoors and grand performances. We're enjoying this wonderful concert, and it really brings you to mind, and you meaning all of the artists, venues, the institutions, our partners who made Make Music LA possible. You all are wonderful, and being out here under the stars, listen to a great concert, I mean, that's what you're all about. You made it possible. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I am spending the day with all my friends with Make Music LA. Music is all over the world. It's so great to see the people enjoying themselves, smiles on their faces, and it's great to know that Make Music LA makes this happen once a year. June 21st, look out for next year. We want to continue to see the smiles on your face. Thank you for supporting Make Music LA, and join us.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Hogan, and just so glad to have you as part of Make Music LA. Thank you for participating, and we can't wait to hear you next year.
I gotta say thank you very much to everybody that participated in every way, whether musicians or came to the audience or any of the people that helped contribute to make it all happen. Thank you.
Hello everybody, God bless y'all. Come to MMLA next year, 2013.
How you doing? This is Leroy Downs, President of Make Music LA. I'd like to thank all of you so much for participating this year. Make Music LA is a wonderful event, June 21st every year. Come on out, musicians, all the venues that came along, you really helped make our day very special. We really, really love and appreciate you. So thank you. We'll be bigger and better next year, so look for us, MakeMusicLA.org.
Hello, I'm Iris Gordy, Executive Board of Make Music LA. Just want to thank everyone who supported us on June 21st for our very first Make Music LA in Los Angeles. Thank you, Angelinos. We love you, and we want to see you next year, June 21st, summer solstice.